welcome to today's video. We're just starting off putting a wash on and then we go to take the dogs out, as this is usually how I start my cleaning days. Once I get back, this is the same day, it's just that I've took off like my fleece jacket. We're starting off in the bedroom, changing the bed sheets and giving it a good hoover. Then we move on to the spare room, the upstairs bathroom, and then work our way downstairs. Like the last house that I lived in, I am using the smaller room as the bedroom and the bigger room that has the ensuite as storage, and I know that's probably a bit daft, but again, like my last house, the bigger room that has the ensuite, it's just awkwardly spaced, like with the walls and the fake chimney breasts that we've got. The smaller room is just like a bedroom. I do need a new bed and I want to put some paneling up because my neighbours are very noisy and the walls are very thin, so you can, hear everything, but all in good time. And then the spare room that leads onto the ensuite, that is where basically it's just for storage, and I do need, some wardrobes and storage furniture, but again, all in good time. So we're just going to hoover down the stairs and take that washing down, and then we move on to just a quick clean downstairs of hoovering and giving it a quick mop and a quick kitchen wipe down. Having 2 dogs and 2 cats in the house has been pure chaos for the past month, but Taylor is due to go home on Saturday, and although she has been an angel for the most part, just having so many pets, it's made me realise I do not want a second dog right now, and the fur is just non-stop. It was already non-stop with my 3, but then adding a Springador with all of her black spiky fur everywhere. Today's video, I am just mopping the floors with some Sephora Mountain Air and the Veleda Spin Mop. all so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.